Guys, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a origami cat, or you can make it a pig. You just have to make a little bit of adjustment when you finished it. But apart from that, let's just get started. So first you're going to get an origami piece of paper and face it down, white face up. So white face up. Then you're going to fold diagonally, and then unfold, and then fold diagonally the other way, so that it looks like this with a big cross in the middle. Then we're going to fold it. Then we're going to put it back like this. So that's a triangle. Then we're going to fold the side corners to the middle. So basically, so we have this, then we're going to go like that. Okay, then do that on the other side. Okay, now next step is to fold these two flaps up, but not completely up. Like, see, I'm going to go like this, that much up. So do that, and then do that on the other side as well. So then it should look like this. Then we're going to fold this top flap up. Okay. So then it should be like this. Now I want to show you what the finished result looks like. But I have it somewhere, but I don't know where it is. So, yeah, I could have shown you, but I don't know where it is. But, so then it should look like this. Then fold top, wait. Okay, so turn it over. Then fold the corners in. So basically, so we have this, and we're going to fold the corners in a bit, just a bit though. Don't need to do it too much, just like that. So then it should look like that. Then we're going to do that on the other side as well. Okay, so then it should look something like this. These two flaps don't need to be completely even. Just as long as you have the two flaps, oops, I stopped it, you'll be fine. Okay, then fold this. So get this and fold this upwards. So basically just like this. So it looks like this. Now we're going to get the top layers and fold all of them down inwards. So basically get all of these and fold them backwards so that you can't see them. Okay, so they look like this with this at the back. Okay, so but that is it. That's all you need to do. Now I'm going to draw a cat face. But if you want to, you can draw a pig face. Now, I'm going to do a cat face. If you want to do a pig face, all you have to do is fold the ears down like this. Right. Like that, and then you should have, and all you need to do is fold them down like this, so like that, and fold them down like that. Then it will look like a piggy. And then, I'm going to make my cat though. And then, you can put your fingers, so it looks like this on the bottom, but then you can open it up a bit, and then you put your finger through, so it's kind of a finger puppet. I'm going to draw the cat face really quickly. Yep, so I've got my pen.